Next, find the dimensions of a rectangular box opened at the top with volume 32 cubic feet and requiring least amount of material for its construction. So here let the dimensions of the box be length, breadth and height. So that the volume, what is the formula to find volume? L into B into H, it is 32. And the surface area, least amount of material for its construction, that relates to the measure surface area. So what is the surface area of a rectangular box? It is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. And since it is given that opened at the top, so one of the face is open, okay. So 2 times LB, 2 times BH, 2 times LH in this formula. We need some a small modification, that is S will be 2 LB plus 2 BH plus LH, 1 time LH, because we are assuming that the face with the length height as the length and breadth, length and height, that is the open side. So here there are 3 variables L, B and H. So similarly L into B into H is 32. So what is the third variable? We have to convert the third variable into other two. So H is 32 by LB. So what will be S? S is 2LB plus 2B into 32 by LB plus L into 32 by LB. Okay. So this is in terms of L and B. So we are converting H in terms of L and B. So you can take any one of the any variable. L, we can write L is equal to 32 by BH or B is equal to 32 by LH. Any one of the variable can be written in terms of the other two. That is the only condition. Because to applying the second partial test, the function will be function of two variables. Okay, you can convert any of the third variable, any one, L, B or H. Okay. Then S is here, I have written H in terms of L and B. So S is 2LB plus 64 by L plus 32 by B. Okay. So S is least, that is we have to put the derivative of S with respect to L and with respect to B, because the new variables are the S is in terms of L and B. Partial derivatives, put them to 0. So it will be dou S by dou L. What is dou S by dou L? 2B minus 64 by L square, it is 0. So this one 0 means 2B is 64 by L square, or B is 32 by L square. Similarly, dou S by dou B is equal to 0 means 2L minus 32 by B square is equal to 0. L is 16 by B square. Putting this B in L, L is equal to 16 by 32 by L square, the whole square, or it is L raised to 4 by 64, or 64 L is L raised to 4. We can divide both sides with L because L is not equal to 0. So 64 is L cube, so L is 4. So if length is 4, what will be B? 32 by L square, or any one. We can take any of these two formulas. So B is 32 by 16. 4 square is 16. So it is 2. Okay. So next, to verify that it is the least value. L4 or B2 is the least value. For that, find R, S and T. R is dou square S by dou L square. It is minus 64 into minus 2 by L cube. So the value, putting L as 4, we get it is 2. Then S is dou square S by dou L dou B, that is also 2. T is dou square S by dou B square, it is 8. Okay, so RT minus S square is 16 minus 4, it is 12, greater than 0, and R is also 2, R is 2, greater than 0. So the S is least or minimum if L is 4, B is 2 and H is 32 by LB, it is 4. Okay.